In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add highlights to your Instagram profile. But before I begin, if you're new to this channel, do subscribe to this channel so that you can get more social media tips like this. Without further ado, let's jump straight into my phone and let me show you how you can add highlights to your Instagram profile. Let's go. Alright, first of all, open up your Instagram app, click on the bottom right, and then you can see as of now, I don't have any highlights. So I just want to add one highlights. Go to your top left, the plus icon, click on that, click on highlights. There, you will create the highlights. So I want to pick a few to be put in as highlights. So for example, I just want to put, let's put basketball, alright? So just have a few basketball ones, okay? And then I'll click next. Alright, then I just put a name, well, you can edit cover, whichever that you want, alright? Done, and then you add. Then all you have to do is just refresh, and then you can see there's a basketball highlight there. So you want to add more highlight, you just have to click on new, and then you can just same thing as well, click on next and create highlights if you wanted to, okay? How do you edit the highlights? All you have to do is just click on the highlight itself, click on the three dot below, and then you can see here edit highlights. So you can just go to stories, click for a few more highlights, and then you can put it in, alright? So you can, for example, select this, then it will be here, alright? But if you do not want it, then just remove it, okay? You can even edit a cover, just change any image if you want to. I don't have any, so that's why it's not there. You can even update the name as well and then edit accordingly. So yeah, that's how you can create a new highlight and put it into your profile. It is very simple, very direct. Now there is some limitation where it is only sorted from oldest to newest, sadly, so you can have to plan your highlights accordingly. And also your highlights, the position of your highlights, so far I have not found ways to rearrange it. If you know any, just put a comment, but as of now I don't see any way to rearrange the highlights. So yeah, so that's the few things you need to take note. You cannot rearrange the stories inside your highlights, and you cannot rearrange the highlights inside your profile. So you have to plan accordingly before you put everything in. So yeah, so that's how you can add highlights into your Instagram profile. If you like what I share, do give me a like and subscribe to this channel so that you can get more Instagram tips like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I see you next time. Goodbye.